Hola amigos, if you want to learn the easiest flan ever, stay tuned. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. This is Fatima and this is Fatima Spanish Kitchen. If you haven't been in my kitchen before, here you will find recipes of my country of origin, Spain. Today I'm going to show you how to make an orange flan without any oven, and it's really easy that even your kid can make it, and you just need to keep it in the refrigerator. Make the easiest flan ever. You only need orange juice. I have there, that is 2 orange, squeezed fresh orange without the pulp. I have some 1 can of condensed milk and some Jello. What I'm going to do is to follow the instruction of your Jello. That is gelatin and that is orange flavor. You can do it with any other flavor that you like, but you know, I like that one with the oranges. A flan, we need to have caramelized sugar, so I'm going to start doing that first. I just put some sugar and a little bit of water in my pan. When you do caramelized sugar, you have to be very careful because you can burn very easy. Now the caramel is done, so I just put it in my container and we move around, you know, the sugar to cover all the bottom. I'm going to use Jello, that is gelatin, if orange flavor. I just follow the instruction of the package and I put my whole package of Jello with 1 cup of hot water, and the other cup, instead of using hot water, I'm going to use the orange juice. Orange juice. And I just mix it really well. And now I just add my condensed milk, 1 jar, normal container, and everything. I just mixing really well. And now I just transfer to my flan. You can do it individually if you like, you know, why not? And I like when I do a flan to use a strainer. I don't know why I haven't been using that always, you know, just in case you have some, you know, things. I just transfer all the flan where I have my sugar melted. Yes, you know, transfer, close it and put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. And I see you. I am mold the flan and I cut it, and I just want you to see the texture of the flan. It looks like really a flan. Let's try it. It's so good. Really has the texture of a flan and doesn't have any egg, and it's really easy to make, and you can use another flavors if you want, and that is really easy. So I hope you have enjoyed the video of this week. If you like this type of video, consider to subscribe and ring the bell so you will get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye bye.